Hey everyone, welcome back to the DRX Automobi channel. Today we've got something special lined up for all the car enthusiasts out there.
The 2025 Ferrari F80 is the first new top-of-the-line hypercar from Ferrari in over a decade. It replaces the previous model's V12 with a heavily hybridized twin-turbo V6, marking a departure from previous iterations. This new F80 is the sixth Halo supercar from the legendary Italian manufacturer Ferrari, following in the footsteps of the 288 GTO of 1984, the F40 of 1987, the F50 of 1995, the Enzo of 2002, and the LaFerrari of 2013. A high-security ceremony was held at the Ferrari factory in Maranello, Italy, to unveil the F80 to global media. The reveal served as a showcase for the brand's peak performance and technology, and it was a four-year effort. Deliveries of the 799-unit Ferrari F80 are scheduled to begin in late 2025, with prices starting at €2.9 million, €4.7 million Australian dollars, before taxes, or approximately €3.2 million, €5.2 million Australian dollars, drive away, in Italy, the car's home country. It is available in red, too. Using elements developed for both Formula One and endurance racing, as well as harnessing the latest in manufacturing methods and aerodynamic expertise, the F80 was built to leverage on Ferrari's greatest engineering and design offerings. The F80 had to be as user-friendly as any other Ferrari road car, according to the brand, even if it was designed to provide extreme performance. By itself, the petrol engine can produce 662 kilowatts, 900 horsepower, at 8,750 RPM, 9,000 RPM redline, and 850 Newton-meters of torque at 5,550 RPM. The race engine has been heavily modified and improved for usage in a more ordinary road vehicle environment. Reportedly, the F80's V6 weighs around the same as a Ferrari 296 GTB's unit, although providing an extra 174 kilowatts, thanks to the intensive use of lightweight materials. An 800-volt hybrid battery, which shares chemical components with Ferrari's Formula One batteries, powers two front-axle motors and collaborates with the MG-UK motor and MG-UH energy recovery system, all of which are reminiscent of Ferrari's race history. The F80 used a closed-loop hybrid system with a smaller 2.3 kWh battery, in contrast to the larger 7.5 kWh battery available on the Ferrari 296 and SF90 road cars. Not only is the new supercar not able to be charged via a standard wall outlet, but it also lacks the capability to provide drivers with an electric-only mode. The hybrid system adds 300 horsepower, 221 kilowatts, to the car's maximum power output by controlling three different voltages: high voltage for the drive motors, 48 volt for the active suspension system, and 12 V for onboard functions. You can't just add up the torque figures, more than 1,100 Newton-meters if added together, since the front axle motors produce 105 kilowatts per 121 Newton-meters each and the MG-UK driveline motor 45 Newton-meters. This is because they all contribute in different ways to the car's performance. Ferrari created the F80 in-house with the goal of creating a sleek, contemporary design that would complement the car's performance capabilities through the use of aerodynamic elements. The F80's front fascia resembles that of the newly introduced Ferrari 12-Cilindri Grand Tourer in that it conceals the headlamps and serves as a contrasting element that flows into the black NACA ducts and air channels located behind the doors. The V6 engine's 6 cylinders are represented by the 6 vents on the engine cover. The F80 can change its air profile according to the job at hand thanks to its active aerodynamics and agile multimatic suspension. By adjusting its angle of attack, the rear wing may either lower the car's suspension by 20 mm and create a cleaner, low-drag profile, or it can be adjusted to deliver more than 1,000 kilograms of downforce at high speeds. Its extension can reach 200 mm. For the suspension's upper wishbones, which were made utilizing a material additive 3D printing technology for maximum strength and minimal weight reduction was also of the utmost importance. During the construction of the car, even features such as brake cooling were taken into account. It was believed that the F80's hollow chassis rails included a preformed air channel that could help keep the brakes cold without the need for additional ducting.